Are you struggling with a Hotpoint F08 error code? We're here to help. My name's Matt from eSpares, the appliance repair channel that helps you to fix your home appliances yourself. If your machine is displaying an F08 error code, it indicates that your appliance is struggling to heat up the water. Now, there could be two reasons for this. It could be a faulty heating element or a faulty thermistor. In this video, we'll show you how to test and replace the heating element if it's faulty. Let's get started. For this video, you will need a multimeter, a Phillips screwdriver, an 8mm socket set, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of safety gloves. Safety first, always make sure you turn off an appliance and disconnect it from the mains before carrying out any work. A multimeter is a test tool designed to measure two or more electrical values for voltage, amps, or ohms. When testing parts in an appliance, you can use the multimeter to check for these measurements. If the reading is above or below the required amount, or there is no reading at all, it means the part is faulty and will need to be replaced. To access the heating element, you need to get to the back of the machine. So you need to take it out and spin it round. And then you need to remove the back panel by undoing the 6 Phillips head screws that hold it in place. With the back off, here we can see the heating element and the various electrical connections. Now, we have 2 spade connections, these 2 brown wires. We have an earth connection and this thermistor connection here as well. Now go ahead and remove the 2 brown spade connectors and leave the earth and the thermistor for now. Just use a flathead screwdriver to ease these off. Next, grab your multimeter and switch to the buzzer function. You can then use your probes across the 2 terminals, and you're looking for a reading higher than 25 ohms. If it's lower than 25 ohms or there's no reading at all, the heating element is faulty. To remove the heating element, you now need to take the earth wire off and also take out the communication cable to the thermistor. Next, grab your 8mm socket set and remove the nut right to the end of the thread, but don't take it off the thread. Then, using the other end of the socket set, push that against the bolt, and then using a screwdriver or small hammer, gently knock the bolt into the heating element, being careful of the electrical terminals. Now, we've pushed the bolt into the heating element. This is to release the seal around the edge of the heating element, making it easier to remove the part itself. Now, when you're pulling them out, it's a good idea to use some safety gloves, as there's some sharp edges around here. You may be able to just simply pull it out, or you may need to use a flat-headed screwdriver to help you. When looking for a new heating element on the eSpares website, it's essential that you have your appliance's make and model number. This is to ensure that you're getting the exact part for your particular appliance. Now, if you're not sure where to find the model number on your machine, don't worry. Check out this video here that will tell you everything you need to know. Now, when you get your new heating element, take the time to inspect it. If it comes with a new thermistor, then you can go ahead and fit it. However, if it doesn't come with the thermistor, you'll have to simply take it out of the old one and then pop it in your new one. So when fitting your new element, it's important that you get the two prongs of the element pinching that metal inside the drum. This is to ensure that the element fits correctly, and you'll feel when it's pinching it correctly. Now, a little tip is to use a tiny bit of washing up liquid on the new seal and just spread that round just to help it fit smoothly inside the drum. You can then go ahead and fit it. You can then put the element inside, and once again, be careful of sharp edges. I've put on some safety gloves just to be sure. And push it in as far as it'll go, ensuring the two prongs are around the metal inside the drum. Once you've pushed it in as far as possible, you can then tighten the nut. Once you're happy the element is in place, you can then reconnect all the electrical connections. And then refit the back panel. When refitting the back panel, make sure you check the outside edges. On this particular model, some parts go inside the panel and some go outside. So for this, I have to put the top in first, ensuring that the inside bits are indeed inside. And then at the bottom, again, some parts go in, some parts go out. So just take your time, ensuring that the panel is in correctly at the top and at the bottom before fitting the screws. So there we have it. Hopefully the F08 error code is no longer bothering you and your machine is running smoothly again. Now, if you experience any error codes on your appliance in the future, don't worry. We have our handy Hotpoint washing machine error codes playlist to help you fix any common faults. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more repair tutorials, care and maintenance advice, and for all things eSpares. Thanks for watching.